Smart switches get annoying when they add clutter instead of fixing the room. Here's the best in-wall smart light switch setup for main picks. Quick answer. Kasa KS225 is the value default. Feit is the rocker style pick. Leviton ZW6HD is for Z-Wave homes, and Leviton DN6HD is for no neutral boxes. No switch fits every wall. Choose by wiring, platform, control feel, and extra gear. For most homes, I'd start with the TP-Link Kasa KS225 Matter Smart Wi-Fi Dimmer. Buy it if you have neutral wiring and want one dimmer that behaves well at the wall, in Kasa's apps, and across major smart home platforms. The value is the point. It's practical enough that upgrading more than one room doesn't feel ridiculous. The catch is fit. It's single pole, the dimming buttons don't look like a classic rocker, and deeper shortcuts live in the app. Skip it for no neutral boxes or more complex switch layouts. If the switch has to feel familiar, choose the Feit Electric Smart Wi-Fi Dimmer. It's the pick for neutral wire homes where a traditional rocker look matters more than having every platform feature. You still get Wi-Fi dimming, schedules, and common voice control support. Plus it can work in single pole or three-way installs. But the app is less tidy, useful dimming options can be tucked away, and customization is lighter than Kasa. Also, a three-way setup means buying another dimmer, not a cheaper matching switch. For Z-Wave homes, Leviton's Decora Smart Z-Wave Dimmer ZW6HD is the hub-first pick. Buy it if you already use Home Assistant, Ring, SmartThings, or another compatible Z-Wave setup. You'll get a sturdy in-wall rocker dimmer, plus more tuning than many older Z-Wave switches. The catch is that it's only as flexible as your hub allows. Voice control, app behavior, feature access, and firmware updates can vary by the hub you pair. Skip it if you don't want hub choices, or you just want the lowest cost Wi-Fi dimmer. For older wiring, go Leviton Decora Smart No Neutral Dimmer DN6HD. This is the problem solver when the box lacks a neutral wire and you don't want rewiring just to add smart dimming. It keeps the normal rocker look, and you get scheduling, room grouping, and broad smart home compatibility through Leviton's bridge. That's the catch. This isn't hub-free, and it costs much more than neutral wire Wi-Fi options. Skip it if you have a neutral wire and want maximum value with less hardware. Quick split. Most neutral wire homes, Kasa KS225. Want a familiar rocker, Feit. Already built around Z-Wave, Leviton ZW6HD. Missing a neutral wire, Leviton DN6HD. The setup decision is really wiring first, then platform, then how traditional you want the wall control to feel. Before you buy, open the switch box and confirm the wiring. Check whether the circuit is single pole or three-way. Decide if you want Wi-Fi, Matter, Z-Wave, or a bridge. And make sure the wall plate style won't bug you every day. If you're unsure and have neutral wiring, start with the Kasa KS225. Go Feit if the rocker feel matters more. Go Leviton ZW6HD for an existing Z-Wave home, or DN6HD when there's no neutral wire. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.